Why mobile connectivity? Mobile connectivity is an outstanding connectivity option when connecting a large number of products, especially over a wide geographical area. It is an established, well-proven and future-proof technology and has offered high reliable connectivity and excellent service levels to companies for a long time. Another benefit is that it is very cost-efficient when considering total cost over time. It's easy to integrate into customers' processes and very cost-effective when taking service, operations, and maintenance into consideration. Mobile connectivity offers incomparable global coverage for moving assets and vehicles with endless possibilities to scale. No manual installation on site is needed, and SIM cards can be pre-integrated in customers' products already in the factory. In addition, mobile connectivity offers secure end-to-end connections based on global standards. This allows control of data access with no interacting with local networks.